Reserving a book online from the Anamosa Library and Learning Center is very easy. Here's how it's done. First, get to the library's website. In any internet browser, simply type in our web address, which is anamosalibrary.org or .com. Hit enter on your keyboard and the library's site should appear. Now look for the Account section on the page. Click it and our online portal will open, the same one you see on the public search computers at the library. Now we need to log into your library account. You will need your library card number for this next step. This can be found on the back of your library card. Newer numbers are 7 digits long, such as 1000561. If your number has fewer digits, add leading zeros so that it makes 7 digits. So, for example, card number 999 would become 0000999. Now let's click the Login button in the upper right of the screen. Enter your library card number in the first field and your password in the second field. Now, if you don't know your password, please call, email, or send a Facebook message to the library, and we'll help you out. Once this information is entered, you should be able to log in. This screen shows you a series of tabs, all pertaining to your account status, but today we are interested in reserving an item, so our first job is to find it. If the large search button in the center of the screen isn't showing, clicking the Home tab will make it come back. You can then search by title, author, subject, and so forth. We'll search for something by the popular author James Patterson. Patterson, of course, has a lot of titles. As you review the list, make sure you take note of whether the item is in and available. On the right of each listing, if the status reads out, that means the item is already checked out and unavailable to you. You could reserve it by being added to the waiting list, or you can search for something else that is available now. As you open each listing, it will give you a synopsis of the title. Here is where you can also reserve it. Note the red Reserve button on the right. Clicking it will reserve the title for you. It's just as simple as that. You can continue browsing and reserving. When done, feel free to check your work by clicking the My Items section. If you've changed your mind about reserving the title, simply put a check mark next to the no longer desired item and then click the red Cancel button on the right. The item will no longer be reserved for you. When fully finished, you can click the Logout button in the screen on the upper right, and you will be done with your session. You see, I told you it was easy.